Hey everybody, Tracy here. I'm at 26 Forster Place in Lake Coogee, formerly known as Munster. I see that brought a smile to the face of the owner sitting down here. I live in Lake Coogee myself, so I'm on the other side of the camera smiling. You know who I am, so I'm not going to show you my face, but we are going to have a little chat to the owner, Auntie, about an amazing man cave / she shed, we're not going to be sexist, that he has just around the corner. So I'm just going to follow Auntie and he's just going to tell me all about this shed, and someone out there might like it.
No worries. So it's about 50-60 square metres, the shed. It has a 3-phase power inside of it. It does have a hoist as well. Dad was a mechanic, so we sort of built it for ourselves. The slab is 200 mil with a double mesh on it. And yeah, it's been a fantastic shed. We sort of had all the shelving through here. Excuse the mess, obviously. We're sort of just cleaning up at the moment, getting it all ready to obviously move and everything. But yeah, at the moment, as you can see, I've got a little project on the go. So that's sort of coming hopefully to an end within the next couple of weeks. But yeah, it's been a fantastic shed. So you can sort of turn it into, I guess, the working shed, or if you wanted to sort of even have like a man cave over here with couches and everything. There is a provision for TV up here as well, so we just haven't put it in. But yeah.
What about on the side there, Auntie? I know you had plans for a potential plan to extend the shed.
Yeah, we sort of had an idea. This was just storage for the time being, just like a little bit of an area where I sort of just paint and do a few things so I don't get the rest of the property dirty. The idea was to basically cut a hole in the side of the shed over here, and then basically come here with the roof, leave obviously a metre and a half for the council regulations. Obviously have to get approval for that, but basically we're going to make it into here so you get another whole storage area here by leaving this wall. So you can probably turn this into another man cave, I guess, and leave that as a shed, or you can turn it into another storage, which we sort of had here for the time being. So yeah.
All right, thanks for that, Auntie.
Right.
I'll show everyone to the front and a little bit to the side here, which is the big patio, but just to show you the access that comes down off the street, and there is provisions for an electronic gate or electric gate at the front there, so everything's in place but bar the gate and the electric door hooked up. So you've got lots and lots of off-street parking, off the street, cul-de-sac location. It's a 4-bedroom house. It's a granny flat, completely separate. That's the granny flat. This is the house. You can see all the photos online, and just to show you, this is the shed down there that we were looking at. So if it interests you, give us a call and we'd love to have a chat. We live about 3 houses away, so you can absolutely vouch for the area. All right, thanks everyone for listening.